In this demonstration, we're going to continue off where we left off in the first one, and we're going to deploy our ESX host utilizing the UDA and VMware Workstation. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a virtual machine for us to deploy our ESX host to. We'll choose Custom, Workstation 6.5, install operating system later. We're going to choose Linux. We're going to go ahead and choose Other 2.6 kernel 64-bit. We're going to give it a name. One processor and 1 gig of RAM. I'm going to choose host-only networking. That's where our UDA is located. LSI logic for the SCSI adapter. And I'm going to go ahead and create a 20 gig hard drive. Now the script that I had posted on dailyhypervisor.com is for a larger drive than 20 gigs. I modified my partitioning scheme to support the drive size that I've chosen. Now that we have our virtual machine, we're going to go ahead and create 7 additional network adapters after we remove the unnecessary hardware. The reason why I need 7 additional network adapters is because the script that I'm trying to test is for a server that has 8 adapters in it. Once all of our network adapters are added, I'm going to go OK. We're going to go ahead and edit the VMX file associated with our virtual machine. We need to add a couple of lines to this file to allow ESX to run efficiently and also allow us to power on virtual machines if we decide we want to do so. I already have it typed out in another text document, so I'm just going to paste it in here and go ahead and save the file. Now we're going to go ahead and power on our virtual machine. When the machine's powered on, it should automatically boot off of our UDA Pixie Boot server. And we only have one template, which is ESX01, which is what we're going to use to deploy this server with. Formatting our file system, creating all of our partitions, and the installation is started. Once the installation is finished, it copies our post-installation script and modifies the rc.local to have it run on first boot. Then the server will reboot and launch our post-installation portion of the script. And once our server is booted, we can hit Alt F1 and we'll be able to see what's happening with the post-installation script. It's important to realize that from time to time this will send us back to the Alt F11 screen whenever the management service is restarted. And once our script is finished, the server will reboot and we'll be able to go ahead and log in. It's important to remember as well that we're preventing root from logging in at the console, so we need to log in as the user account that we created. Once logged in, we can go ahead and switch user to root. Do an ifconfig to verify our network settings. Check our routes. And even verify our virtual switch configuration. Now you can go ahead, connect up with the VI client, and verify that the rest of the configuration is correct. That's all for this demonstration.